Good morning. So today's mission is going to be to deconstruct the Ducati. So the intention is to strip the bike completely down and measure up a few bits and pieces as I go along so that I can work out what parts I'll need when I do the build. I'll be rebuilding from the ground up with mostly new or refurbished items, so I'll be refurbishing as I go, sandblasting, repainting, replacing any fasteners, things like that. And then I'll gradually do the custom work on the way back up. So for now, enjoy. I'll probably do this as a time lapse with some snippets in between if I come across anything interesting, but the bike is going to get stripped completely down, ready for powder coating of the frame and some of the other components. Enjoy. Well, it has been a long day for me, stripping down the Ducati, but we're most of the way there. I just need to get someone to come and help me lift the frame off the engine. I was going to drop it out the bottom, but I do need to actually have someone help me lift it off or have some kind of support to hold the frame up while I take it off. So for now, I'm just going to leave it how it is, but here's where we are now with it. And it's looking pretty good. A lot of this stuff is in pretty good condition, but it is going to need some TLC on these forks, as well as the frame, obviously, which is going to get powder coated. You'll see the battery spill from when I first got it, and there's just a few nicks and little dents and pieces in the frame. I need to work out a seat catch system for it, only because the original one for it is really difficult to get hold of. I haven't been able to find one. There's a couple of different types, so I'm just going to roll with this for now, just a custom unit, and we'll see what I can come up with. Thanks everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and I'll be certain to keep the videos up. The next episode shouldn't be too far off. I'm expecting probably about a week, and then we'll see what the progress is. Laters. So it's update time. So it's autofocus time. I've worked out a way to get the frame off the bike. What I've done is I had a bit of a look around on the internet, and I found a couple of posts where people have actually just got a household ladder that holds, say, 100, 150 kilos, and they've used ratchet straps to attach the bike to the ladder, just the frame, and then lifted the frame using that method. So what I'm going to do is put a car jack under my engine and engine and swing arm, and then levitate the motorcycle frame off the engine and swing arm. So here's my ghetto ass setup. Let's see if it works.
Stay hydrated, kids.
Hey guys and girls, I'm just sitting here in my little makeshift studio editing this episode just now. Being the first episode I've edited and filmed, I've noticed a few little mistakes along the way that I'm sure you'll notice too. I'm gradually getting there, so please be patient with my new attempt at this craft. What I did do is I did lose or not take some of the footage for the end of the time lapse for this episode. So unfortunately you aren't going to see the last little bit where I did take the frame off. However, good things are afoot. Some time has passed since I did film this episode, so things like powder coating, etc. have been done. You will probably see me pop in from time to time in these episodes and explain little bits and pieces, or you probably will see things like my hair color changing and me getting fatter and skinnier and changing all kinds of shapes and sizes and styles. So thanks for coming on this journey with me, and I look forward to bringing you many more episodes and improving in this craft, because I really do enjoy it. Have a great night.